Hey, good Monday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. And doing a quick video here on this set of ramps I just built this morning. Went over to Lowe's and I bought some treated 2x12 by 10 foot long. And three 10 footers will get you this. It gives me an 8-inch lift because it's 5 times 1.5, but it's treated, so it ends up being a little taller till it starts to shrink down. But I got 48, 40, 32, 24, and 16 for the cuts. And that gives you enough of a piece left over to put your toe stop on the front. And I went over in the barn and I found me some more wheels. There's some old like hospital bed wheels. They were pivot ones, but I just put a self-tapper through them, so it took the pivot out of them. And we went to our old standby once again, the old Subway straps. So you can move these babies around because they are heavy. And I just went with the treated because these go out back of the garage and a lot of times they're in the weather. So, and they actually said the 2x12s are ground rated. So someday, you know, when they dry out in a year, I'll probably put some varnish or weather seal or something on them. But this gives me like 2 inches more when I pull that blue truck on there. So these should work good. Say they're heavy, but they're not going anywhere. Have a good one.